On the front panel, press the menu button. Select Service. Press System D'. The printer will now remove the ink from the printhead and ink tubes. Once complete, the printhead assembly will lower and the printhead latch will release. The message on the display will change to Printhead Unprimed. Lift the printhead latch. If the latch is not released, do not force it open. This can damage the latch assembly. With the latch in the up position, push the printhead towards the blue latch. Then the printhead can be removed. If shipping the printer or leaving the printhead out for an extended time, install the blue caps that came with the printer. Lower the printhead latch until it locks into place. If the printhead latch is not released, go to the touchscreen front panel, press Menu, and select Service. From there, select Release Printhead. If the printer has not been deprimed, Release Printhead will not be available. Select System D'. The printhead latch should now be released. After the printhead is removed, make sure to store it in the orange cap that came with the printhead. Not doing this will result in poor print quality and potential nozzle damage. With the printer turned off and the power cord disconnected, unplug the connector going to the wiper motor assembly. Release the tab on the end of the wiper motor assembly, B in the insert. Lift the assembly out of the printer, noting the location of the springs, and make sure they do not move out of position, C in the insert. Place the assembly tabs over the springs. Press down on each end of the assembly to confirm the springs are engaged and the tabs lock the assembly in place. Connect the wiper motor harness. Close the top cover and power on the printer. Lift the blue printhead latch. If it is not released, do not force it open, as this can damage the latch. Remove the blue caps. If the printhead latch is not released, go to the touchscreen front panel, press Menu, and select Service. From there, select Release Printhead. If the printer has not been deprimed, Release Printhead will not be available. Select System D'. The printhead latch should now be released. Inspect the contacts on the printhead circuit board, making sure none of the contacts are dirty or damaged. If installing a new printhead, follow the instructions in the manual, removing the printhead from its packaging and removing the protective tape. If installing a used printhead, make sure the contacts are clean. Use a lint-free cloth and distilled or deionized water to clean the printhead. Insert the printhead at an angle, aligning it with the slots in the printer. Once seated, gently tilt the printhead back until it snaps into position. Close the blue printhead latch. Next, close the top cover. The printer will now prime the printhead. This process will take a number of minutes.